UnitedHealthcare CEO killing suspect retains high-powered New York attorney. Attorney Karen Friedman Agnifilo will represent Luigi Mangione in New York. Luigi Mangione, the suspect in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, has retained a high-powered New York attorney and former CNN legal analyst to represent him, Fox News Digital has learned. Karen Friedman Agnifilo will represent Mangione as he faces a second-degree murder charge in New York for the December 4 shooting in Manhattan, a spokesperson for Friedman Agnifilo has confirmed. Friedman Agnifilo previously worked as the Chief Assistant District Attorney in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office for 7 years and has experience in New York City's criminal justice system. She has worked in private practice for the past 3 years with Agnifilo & Trader LLP. Karen Friedman Agnifilo of Agnifilo & Trader LLP has been officially retained to represent Luigi Mangione in New York, the spokesperson said in a statement. Ms. Friedman Agnifilo is a longtime veteran of the Manhattan District Attorney's Office and served as the second-in-command for 7 years under DA Cyrus Vance, in addition to serving for 4 years as the chief of the office's trial division. Friedman Agnifilo has 3 decades of experience in criminal justice, litigation and trials, according to Agnifilo & Trader. Her practice focuses on criminal defense in state and federal courts and prosecuting serious violent crimes, including complex homicide cases. She also represents plaintiffs in civil and employment matters and individuals in Title IX matters, a statute that protects persons from sex-based discrimination. She also specializes in internal investigations relating to misconduct, discrimination and sexual assault. The news of Friedman Agnifilo representing Mangione comes as investigators have uncovered new evidence in recent days, including law enforcement determining that the 3D printed gun Mangione had in his possession when he was arrested matches the 3 shell casings found at the crime scene in Midtown Manhattan. His fingerprints also matched the fingerprints found on items near the scene of the shooting. Mangione remains in custody in Pennsylvania, where he was apprehended on gun-related charges, as he fights extradition to New York. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg said there were indications Mangione may waive his extradition next week. A Pennsylvania judge denied Mangione bail on Tuesday, leaving him behind bars at the Huntington State Correctional Institution. The suspect is also facing charges in Pennsylvania of carrying a gun without a license, forgery, falsely identifying himself to the authorities and possessing instruments of crime. New York prosecutors additionally hit him with 3 counts of illegal weapons possession and forgery, on top of the murder charge. Blair County District Attorney Peter Weeks in Pennsylvania said his office is prepared to do what's necessary to move Mangione to New York. Mangione's attorney in Pennsylvania, Thomas Dickey, has denied that his client is responsible for the killing in New York and believes he will plead not guilty in the Big Apple to the murder charge and other charges. Mangione also plans to plead not guilty to charges in Pennsylvania related to possession of a gun and fake ID authorities say was found on him when they arrested him, according to Dickey. The suspect appeared to be driven by frustration with the health insurance industry and alleged corporate greed, police have said, although he was not an insured member of UnitedHealthcare.